How to add numbers. Made easy. Example number 1. We have 28 plus 35. Whenever we're going to be adding numbers together, we treat each column independently. That means we just add the numbers in each column together. So, looking at our first column, we have 8 plus 5. That's going to give us 13. Whenever your numbers add up to a double-digit number, you take the last number and you put that down in the column that you just added. And then you take the first number and you put it above the next column that we're going to be adding to each other. So now we can add that column. We have 1 plus 2 plus 3. That's going to give us 6. So 63 is our final answer. Example number 2. We're given this problem here. So we're going to treat each column independently. And we're just going to add the numbers and the columns together. So looking at the first column, we have 1 plus 1. That's going to give us 2. Now let's look at the second column. We have 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. So we take the last number and we put that in the column. Then we take the first number and put that in the next column that we're going to be adding to each other. Now what we have is 1 plus 3 plus 1. That's going to give us 5. Now, looking at the next column, we have 9 plus 4. That's going to give us 13. Take the last number, we put that in the column, which is a 3, and then you take the first number and you put that in the next column, like this. What we have now is 1 plus 5 plus 1. That's going to give us 7. Now, looking at the last column, we only have a 6 there. That means we could just bring it down to the bottom. So that is going to be our final answer. Example number 3. We're given these 3 numbers. So let's look at the first column. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is going to give us 6. Now let's look at the second column. 6 plus 5 plus 4 is going to give us 15. We take the last number, which is a 5, and we put that in the column. Then we take the first number, which is a 1, and we put that above. Now we have 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7. That's going to give us 25. So we take the last number, which is a 5, and then we put the first number in the next column. As we can see, there's only the 2 that's in the column. We're going to go ahead and bring that all the way down. That is going to be our final answer.